Insight is excited to announce that there are 5 finalists for the 7th Annual Excellence in Memory Care Award. We'll announce the winner a little bit later in the program. We're excited to share the 5 Excellence in Memory Care Award finalists in alphabetical order. So the first is Aging Rainbows. Aging Rainbows is a nonprofit that started in November of 2019 by Karen McPhail and is a 100% volunteer-run organization. They are a collaborative group of like-minded individuals from the LGBTQ community and allies who are driven by one primary goal: to make the world a better place for all individuals. They're supporting the many people in our community affected by dementia that are supporting the many people in our community that are affected by dementia that are hesitant to reach out to get help because they feel their local resources are not prepared to meet their needs due to the lack of cultural competency, the reality and fear of discrimination, or of not receiving optimal care. Aging Rainbows envisions an LGBTQ affirming environment, complete with staff trained on LGBTQ cultural competency and dementia care in order to improve care for LGBTQ people with dementia. Now, they are a local partner with the SAGE National Resource Center on LGBTQ plus aging. Aging Rainbow's mission is to provide community outreach, education, supportive programs that foster inclusive care communities and care providers, expand socialization opportunities, and intergenerational programs in the Northern Virginia area and throughout the country for LGBTQ older adults. They strive to build productive relationships and to make a positive impact with their pursuits.
Counterpoint Health Services. Counterpoint Health Services is a behavioral health service provider specializing in geriatrics. They have an integrated model of care which facilitates communication between providers managing medications and providing talk therapy. They have expertise in both pharmacological and non-pharmacological approaches, including supporting people with dementia who are experiencing psychiatric symptoms. They provide support and education to the caregiving staff. They demonstrate a culture of holistic care based on assessment and treatment using evidence-based approaches. Clients with dementia with behavioral disturbances and their families suffer tremendous stress with the fear of safety, losing their housing, care staff not understanding how to help in psychiatric hospitalization. And Counterpoint has helped clients with all these stressors and even prevented unnecessary psychiatric hospitalizations in several cases. Counterpoint's model of integrated and accessible care is providing meaningful and impact for their clients.
Inova Parkinson's and Movement Disorder Center. Be it Parkinson's disease, essential tremor, dystonia, or other movement disorders, the Inova Parkinson's and Movement Disorder Center provides comprehensive care designed to get participants moving again. From the first meeting with one of their specialists, the team's dedication to individualized care is evident. Each person has his or her own unique brand of Parkinson's, essential tremor, dystonia, Huntington's disease, or tic disorder, and deserves a personalized treatment plan to address specific needs. The experienced movement disorder team works with them to chart a path to better health.
Memory Bank. Memory Bank works with individuals and families who have been impacted by dementia to be sure their bills are paid regularly and securely. They monitor to ensure they are not being financially scammed and that their assets are protected. What is particularly special about Kay Bransford and the memory care team is her deep expertise in working with people with dementia. She may be there to pay bills, but she's always another set of eyes who can alert the right people when there is a change in status, cognitively or financially. Using their award-winning memory bank system, they capture passwords, accounts, and other key data so there's never a gap in essential financial activity if someone can no longer manage their own responsibilities. Kay and the memory bank team are passionate advocates for older adults, providing educational opportunities for families and professionals in treating every person that they work with, whether or not they live with dementia, with the utmost respect, courtesy, and compassion.
And finally, What's Wrong with Grandma, the children's book. Amanda Max has written a children's book to help children understand at the most basic level what Alzheimer's disease is and looks like. The book is much needed not only in our community but across the board. There are not many picture books for children on the disease or with any memory loss disease. Many families in multiple counties have found a book to be supportive to them, their children, the struggles that grandma or grandpa might be going through. Amanda Max has spent her life as an advocate for the aging population, from volunteering at nursing homes as a child to spending the last 10 years working in senior living communities. She's devoted her life to helping seniors in any way she can. And that concludes our 5 award finalists. Now, please join me in giving them all a round of applause. And before we announce the winner, we have some great auction items to bid on. So please announce the winner of the Insight's Excellence in Memory Care Award. As we shared previously, the award recognizes programs and services that are models of excellence and are positively impacting memory care in our community. And we're so fortunate to have so many fantastic organizations in our community that are truly making a difference for those living with memory care impairments each and every day. So thank you so much to all 5 of our fantastic finalists for all you do to support those with memory impairments in our community. And as a recap, our 5 finalists are Aging Rainbows, Counterpoint Health Services, Innova Parkinsons and Movement Disorder Center, Memory Bank, and What's Wrong with Grandma Children's Book. So please help me with the drum roll.
Aging Rainbows. Family emergency. So I'll accept this award on their behalf, and we will arrange a date at a later time to present the award to them. Our thoughts and prayers go out to the McPhail family. And again, congratulations to Aging Rainbows.